We have an awesome fan from Mexico. She came all the way from Mexico to come visit RDBLA. She took a look at all the cars. She loves them. What's your name?
Samantha.
Samantha from Mexico.
Yeah. I'm from Guadalajara, but I live in Mexico City.
Today's Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Okay, so watch the Thursday video.
Thursday. Okay.
This Thursday.
I'm gonna say it. Salamandrin comes here, right?
He comes and goes, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Moses,
Yeah.
I love that name.
Yeah.
Thank you, mate.
All right, see you guys.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Powerful name, man.
Thank you. Good fans. We have so much support from all over the world. It's amazing.
Alright guys, welcome to the Black Badge Rolls Royce Ghost. This is a brand new Rolls Royce Ghost. Probably the nicest interior Rolls Royce Ghost I've ever seen. It's this beautiful blue color. You see the badge right there? That's for the Black Badge. But let's open this up right here. Here you have your controls. Check out this crazy carbon fiber weave they got going on the new Rolls Royces. Really beautiful. On the door panels, on the front dashboard, all that stuff. It's also got Starlight, which is right there. So this is a Ghost with the full Starlight on the ceiling, black and blue combination. The exterior is white. We're going to be doing a two-tone wrap on this car. So from the grille to the front, all the way to the trunk is going to be wrapped in this blue color. We found a really awesome close material from Avery. It's almost the same exact finish, which is ridiculous, and we're going to be wrapping that. So no blackout. We're going to leave the chromes and the blacks that the car has on there. We're just going to do the top half. Customer really wants to match it just for the unique interior to look like the exterior. So we're going to go ahead and get it started and wrap it up.
What is this? What is the white? I have no knife. What is it? What is it? What is this? What is this?
It's your cane. It turns into a superpower.
Look at this, guys.
You never seen Star Wars?
No.
So the Brabus G550, this thing had the full White Star package on it. Customer is giving this car back. His 63 is finally here. We are going to be transferring the parts into his 63. Right now the front of this has the previous Brabus kit on there. This is a 63 grille we customized and put on there. This is the Brabus front lip for the G550 bumper. So all that's going back on. We just got the hood off. This hood, as you guys already know, is glued on. That's the way they do it. You have to do a proper seal around it, as you guys could see right there. It was insanely difficult to remove that without damaging anything. We had a long day of removing that. That hood right there, that carbon fiber hood piece is about $9,500, so we didn't want to break it. We wanted to get it off so we could transfer it to the next one. And save the customer some money there. So right now we're just going to clean up all this silicone glue and buff the hood, get it ready to give this car back to the dealer. All right, we're back at our client's house with the crazy cars. 488 is completed now. With that blue, we just did the yellow stripes on there too. Drives incredibly well, super fast car, smooth as hell. We love it, so let's go. Guys, welcome to another wrap. Range Rover right here. This thing actually got transported from Hawaii, believe it or not. And now we are halfway into a wrap. This in the morning was completely factory stock, all put together. And now you see it apart and you already see half the car wrapped. Literally, that's how fast we get stuff done, even in the right conditions. A lot of people will get it done fast, but they won't take apart all this stuff like we did. So this car is doing that really awesome satin dark gray finish. Always looks good on the Range Rover. Blacking out some accents as well, of course. So we're gonna get it done. Range Rovers to us, honestly, is a piece of cake now. We knock them out, whether it's wrap or body kits or whatever. So that's another Range Rover we're working on right now.
So we have fan love all the way from Australia. You guys are here to buy merch. Pretty cool. What's your name?
Mitch.
Mitch. So we have Mitch here. What's your name?
Marty.
Mitch and Marty from Australia. That's pretty awesome. We appreciate it. This is the last $20 I have. Spend it wisely. That's it, you guys. You're welcome. No more. Completely out. You see? I gave the last $20 to Sarkis.
Thank you. Thank you, Sarkis.
You just said girls put their number on your car
Yes.
without seeing you.
No, they see me walking from my car.
And then what do you do?
Sometimes I call them, sometimes I don't.
When you call them, what do you say?
Like, yes, can I help you? He's like, oh, you have a nice car. Oh, okay.
Just finished up the Rolls Royce Ghost right here. This is that special Black Badge Rolls Royce Ghost, brand new. As you can see, the top half is now blue, satin blue. We picked this wrap color specifically to match the interior, which is really beautiful, blue and black. Obviously Black Badge wheels, you see that, has carbon fiber on there, really crazy. This is probably the nicest spec'd Rolls Royce Ghost I've ever seen. So really, really happy that we got to do something to it. And we're not doing lowering wheels, none of that stuff. Just this top half was wrapped. Still got the black grille on there, looks really nice. Yeah, let us know how you guys think about this finish.
Working at the car wash, yeah.
You know what I mean? This is awfully close to the car.
You're
What? What? Yeah. It's RDB Auto Care.
RDB Auto Care #1.
It's fantastic. Really.
It's spontaneous.
Wow. Queens.